Ka menteri ketat ke kod ke Kia ikong Ampareen Lyngdoh mentakasngi ila ong bagi Sorkar ke Kwah bagi Paidbah kin yo iki kali kit Nongpang Kiba Paka. Kiba la ban ai jing syakri ke bebahatam kani ka jengkren kalami hadian ka jingdon ki kenrum kenram ke bedai bat kerukom syemwai na ke Bynta banjit ya ke jing syakri ki ambulance 108. Ikong Ampareen ila ong balakmi bnya ya baro ki jingkeno da ka technical committee bat ki Paidbah ki dei ban syania ha ka Sorkar bakin jit ya ki company ka babhatam ban penya ya ki ambulance ha ka jela.
Bidders have become very competitive. All bidders feel that they are the most competent company to run the 108 service. Let me remind the bidders one thing. You are bidding in the state of Meghalaya not to serve a luxurious service. You are here to be committed to ensure that the people of the state of Meghalaya get the best ambulance service and life-saving opportunities as possible. We are not going to be distracted by this competitive argument between companies. We are here to select the best of the best.
Ya ka international